Hi, I'm Florin Lazurca, Head of Technical Marketing at Venafi. Today, I'll dive deeper into observability, which is one of the four functional pillars of the control plane. Along with consistency, reliability, and freedom of choice, observability is comprised of technical capabilities that extend across Venafi TLS Protect, Jetstack Secure, and CodeSign Protect. Control plane is a key component of machine identity management. It gives you the ability to meet both the security requirements of your InfoSec teams and the agility requirements of your development teams across multiple machine identity types like TLS certificates, code signing certificates, and keys. At a high level, observability means finding all machine identities, determining ownership, who's responsible for them, and building an accurate, up-to-date inventory to monitor them. It means reporting on the health, compliance, and configuration of your machine identity infrastructure. It means having visibility and intelligence into machine identities used with load balancers and web servers, Kubernetes, and code signing activities. And it means being able to quickly act and remediate when newly issued certificates haven't been installed or are misconfigured. The control plane uses multiple methods to continuously discover machine identities on both public and private networks. There's network discovery, which uses TLS handshakes, or you can import your certificate authority, and onboard or on-device discovery that automates the process of importing certificates. Observability means continuing to monitor your environment for replaced certificates, new locations, and old certificates that are still in place so that you always have a solid understanding of the health of your TLS and code signing certificate and keys. Observability includes discovery of certificates used in cloud-native environments like Kubernetes and OpenShift. Cloud-native machine identities are TLS certificates used for ingresses, mutual TLS certificates used in pod-to-pod communication and service meshes, and spiffy SVIDs. You get visibility into the health and configuration of Cert Manager across all Kubernetes clusters, as well as visibility of certificate configuration across all clusters. And the control plane discovers even those certificates that are not managed by Cert Manager. Not only visibility, but validating that certificates are correctly installed and adhere to policy. Observability means having faster and automated problem identification and resolution. And while TLS identities are one aspect of machine identities, organizations need to think about how every workload and asset is signed and verifiable. Observability in this context also means having an irrefutable record of all code signing operations, such as what was signed, what keys were used, and who signed. Being able to discover code signing certificates ensures teams have full visibility into all code signing operations so that you can establish code signing workflows specific to how your teams work. Notifications, logging, alerting, and governance are also important parts of observability. They warn security teams about policy violations, certificate misconfigurations, any out-of-policy issuers in use, and infrastructure health issues. You can use event logging as a method to troubleshoot, or as part of your organization's security practice to identify unusual activity, and then send notifications directly to the people whose applications are impacted. In summary, observability is necessary for security teams to monitor for machine identities that might cause you issues. And if there is an issue on which the machine identity owner needs to take action, there are multiple ways to notify them well in advance of when the action needs to be taken.
Still have questions? Turn to Venafi, the machine identity experts. Check out our channel or visit venafi.com to learn about all things encryption, certificate management, and more.